Are lentils like dal, chana, black beans, etc. a good source of protein? The concept that dal is a good source of protein for vegetarians has been debated for years. However, this is a very common misconception. To understand why dal is not a primary source of protein, let's understand what makes up a primary source of protein. For a food source to be classified as a primary source of protein, it must contain 9 essential amino acids in the right proportions. While the body requires 20 amino acids for essential functioning, 11 of them are found in the body, whereas 9 of them are compensated through your dietary intake. Dal, being an incomplete protein source, doesn't possess 2 essential amino acids. Therefore, the protein present in dal doesn't get fully absorbed by your body. To give you an idea, this bowl of dal contains around 5 to 10 grams of protein. Now, if your protein requirement for the day is 70 to 100 grams, how much dal can you possibly eat? I hope this video helped, and the next time someone says dal is a source of protein, you know what to do.